So in today's video, we're gonna do something a little different. It's not a tutorial that we're doing, but it is kind of me showing you how I do my cosplay process through the fun stuff of a challenge video. So today, I'm going to be doing a one-day cosplay build challenge. So I'll be making Todoroki's hero suit from My Hero Academia in one day. Do I hate myself? Probably. Am I gonna do it? Also probably. I've made costumes before in like a day, so I'm not too concerned. I'm just hoping that the quality will be up to my exacting standards. I mean, I did make Cinderella's entire ball gown in 4 days, so hopefully I'll be able to make a jumpsuit, his weird vest thing, and a belt in one day. So without any further ado, let's jump. So here on the table we have all of the stuff that I will be using to make the costume. So we have like the trim for the collar, the metal stuff that I'm going to be using for the vest, the actual fabric for it, the mock-up fabric, elastic, Velcro, a giant zipper thread, and then the foam that I'm going to be using for the vest as well. These pants I'm using as a pattern. And then over here we have things like snaps, my scissors, my snap maker, my wood burning thing. And then we have other things here for pattern making, bobbin, X-Acto knives, little closures, all the glue, hot glue, the other things that I might need. And then of course over here we've got all of the paints that I'll be using. And that is everything that will be going into this. I'm already done and it's 9:30 in the morning. There's not enough fabric in that for me to make a mock-up. I'm gonna have to go get new fabric. Good thing I have lots of sheets hanging around. Not my first choice, but it'll do. So, our one pant leg. Now we're gonna do another one. You might be wondering why I did such a weird thing for patterning for this. I find the easiest way for me to pattern without having to like fully go through and draft a pattern and do all the sketching is just to find a piece of clothing that fits you without needing to be stretched to fit you in the same style that you're requiring. I'm making a simple jumpsuit, so it doesn't need a lot of fancy things for it. The pair of pants that I'm using fit me nicely. I want it to be a little baggier than these pants fit because these are really like close fit pants. So I added a little extra space. Add extra space for your seam allowance. And this is also a rough draft, so it's not going to be super pretty. It's also in a weird fabric. So, yeah. So for the shirt pattern, I'm actually using the shirt I was wearing. For the final test, if this is gonna work. Ooh, you know what? That's not too bad. It works. It works. I'll take it. So my brother got home from work and now he's playing music loudly. So if you hear things in the background, that is him. I'm gonna start with the actual fabric now. I'm excited. Hopefully this is gonna go well. So here we are with they need to be attached still, but so far the fit is really nice. The line where the two are going to attach is going to be perfectly right underneath of where I'm going to put the belt, so that's really nice, and I'm really liking this color. So I forgot to film me making the collar, but here we go, the collar. It's kind of floppy, but I kind of like it that way. It's a little bit tall for me, but oh well. I fixed the collar, so it's not as long, and I stiffened it a bit, so now it'll stand up nicely. Now we're going to apply the zipper. I know I should probably put the sleeves on first, but I'm not, so yeah. I just sewed the zipper on the wrong direction. I have to take it out and redo it now. Get this. Okay, I'm really happy with how this is turning out. And now comes the fun part, the belt and the vest thing. Because the jumpsuit is done and I couldn't be happier. It is 5 o'clock and I have to go see a movie at 9 tonight, so I have like 3 hours. Painting my harness thing now. It's coming across okay. The paint I've got here is really, really nice. Like, this is one coat, and it's already got a really nice silver look. And then I realized halfway through that I hadn't, like, cut the little slits in the back yet. So I'm gonna have to do that once it's dry. So for the lines around the collar, I'm taking this silver stud roll that I have, cutting little strips off, and then I'm gonna attach it onto the collar. There should be 3. So here's the belt so far. My boyfriend called, and so I worked on that instead. Or no, my boyfriend called, so I just made it while he was on the phone with me, and my phone is my camera, so yeah. This isn't a tutorial, so I'm not super concerned. I was gonna make everything like with the red cloth and then do all that, but it just didn't work out really well, so here we are. And I'm aware that his belt actually has tan and red, but I don't have tan paint, so it's gonna be silver. And yeah, this is probably the last thing I'm gonna do tonight. It's getting pretty late, and I'm tired. I have decided that with how late it is and with how tired I am mentally and physically, that if I continue on this project, it is going to not turn out as well as I would like it to, and I don't want to disappoint myself because I am easily disappointed in myself. So I think I'm going to call it quits for today. This has been a fun experiment, although one that I probably will not be trying again for some time. I will probably finish Todoroki within the week. Thank you for watching this excessively chaotic weirdness, and subscribe for more cosplay content. Check out my Instagram and my TikTok for more stuff with me. And yeah, bye.